Children, now we are going to see some of the problems in subtraction. It is basic problems in algebra. Here we have got 4 types of problems. We are subtracting plus 3 from plus 7. The answer is plus 4, it is given. Here we are subtracting minus 3 from plus 7 and the answer becomes plus 10. In this we are subtracting plus 3 from minus 7. Therefore the result becomes minus 10. Here we are subtracting minus 3 from minus 7. So that is minus 4. How do we get these results? That is a simple method. Here we are converting all the subtraction problems into addition problems. Already we know how to add such numbers. Therefore, it is easy when you convert these subtract problems into addition problems. See how we do that. In the first sum, plus 7 plus 3. That is plus 3 is subtracted from plus 7. Plus 3 is to be subtracted. Here we change the sign of plus 3 and we write as minus 3. Now we have to add this minus 3 with plus 7. So this subtraction problem is changed into addition problem. See, that is changed as plus 7 added with minus 3. That is, when minus 3 is added with plus 7, what do we get? We know in addition we have to, when we have got different signs, we have to find the difference between those two numbers and the result we have to write with the sign of the bigger numeral. So here what is the difference between these two? 7 and 3 we have. The numerals, difference is simply 4. Therefore, what is the sign of the bigger numeral? That is plus. Therefore, we write as plus 4. In addition problem, you are adding minus 3 with plus 7, which gives you plus 4. Here actually the subtraction problem is changed into addition problem. Similarly, the other addition problems for second, third and fourth, they become, this one becomes changing the sign which is to be subtracted, that is minus 3 is changed into plus 3 here. In the third sum, plus 3 is changed into minus 3 here. And in the fourth sum, minus 3 is changed into plus 3. Now we have to add them. That's all. When you add them, you get the results of these problems. See, plus 7 plus 3, they have the same sign. Simply add the numbers and put the same sign. So this is plus 10. Here you get the same sign. Add the numbers and put the same sign. That is minus 10. Here you have got different signs. First, to find out the difference between those two numbers. 7 and 3 difference is 4. The bigger numeral has minus sign. Therefore, minus 4 he write. So these are the results. See, for the first sum, we get the result plus 4. For the next sum, we get the result as plus 10. For the third sum, we get the result minus 10. And the fourth sum, we get the result minus 4. Dear children, now we have arrived at these results. Now, instead of writing these things separately, you can do it mentally here itself by just writing here instead of plus, you just write minus here within bracket. Plus 7 minus 3 you are adding. Therefore, that becomes plus 4. Similarly, here you are changing this minus into plus. So, minus 3 becomes plus 3, then plus 7 plus 3 you are adding. Therefore, you are getting plus 10. Remember, you have to change the sign of the numbers which is to be subtracted. That is very essential and you should remember that. Only the number to be subtracted, the sign should be changed. Remember. Here, this plus 3 becomes minus 3. So, minus 7 and the minus 3 you are adding, you get minus 10. Similarly here, this minus 3 is to be subtracted from minus 7. Therefore, change this sign. That becomes plus. So, minus 7 plus 3, that gives you minus 4. When you add those two numbers, that is minus 7 and plus 3, you get minus 4. This is the simple thing. Thank you.